in today's video we are going to make a multi-purpose tent which is very easy to make and can be made with materials available in our home. It can be used for kids to play or for kids' birthday party decoration or for Janmashtami decoration. Once you know how to make the basic canopy, you can decorate it using your own imagination and requirement. So let's start.
Hi.
Take a blanket or quilt, or you can make a bunch of 4-5 bed sheets, anything that is available in your home to make a base. Now take a bangle and saree and rubber band. Pass the half length of saree from a bangle and tie it with the rubber band. Then decide the height of the canopy, and if you already have a hook, use it, or you can put a hook where you want to make the canopy tent. Now adjust the front side of the saree properly. Then take a back side of the saree and put 2 to 3 safety pins as per the length of your canopy. I have used 3 pins here from top to bottom. Now tuck the saree under the blanket from all 3 sides. Here I have also put a light which we generally use for Diwali or Christmas decoration and is easily available at our home. I had a plug nearby, so I have used it. You can also use a light with battery or candles with battery to decorate your canopy for birthday, Janmashtami or anniversary. You can also use different color balloons to decorate. I have used double-sided tape to stick the balloons on the floor and wall. Fresh flowers can also be used. I have put a small study table with battery-operated small candles here. Here I have used a bigger base so that 2 kids can fit together and play. Our lovely canopy is ready within 2 to 3 minutes. You can try different options using your own imagination. liked my video and learned something new, please share it with your friends and family. Also, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye.